I'm on the home page of the Azure portal, and I'd like to create a new management group. If management group is up here in the list of Azure services, I can select this for management group, or I can type management groups. Selecting management groups. Here I can see a list of my management groups, including the children within my management groups. I have a couple other management groups within my root tenant group. And if I want to create a new management group, I can come up to create. I can create a new management group ID and a display name for my management group. I'll create it. After a few minutes, I can hit the refresh button to see my new group. And here I see my new management group. If I want to move this management group, I can place it underneath this AIS Management Group 001 by going to the three dots on the management group I'd like to move, selecting Move, and then selecting the management group that I would like to be the parent of this management group. Once this is selected, I'll hit Save, wait a few minutes for the update to occur, and then I can see that the management group I just created is now underneath this management group. If I want to delete my management group, it has to be a management group that does not have any subscriptions underneath. For example, this My New Management Group that I created earlier has a subscription in it, and I cannot delete it. But my new management group that has no subscriptions underneath it, I can go to the three dots here, and I can delete this management group. I can refresh the page and see that my management group has been deleted. Management groups are helpful for organizing your business and your subscriptions. You can learn more by checking out the links in the description. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one.